In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen with Gemini. We'll do this inside Google AI Studio, which is where you can try Gemini models in your browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to avoid common permission issues. First, open your browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type Google AI Studio and press Enter. In the results, click the official astudio.google.com link to open the site. If you're asked to sign in, follow the prompt with your Google account and continue. On the AI Studio homepage, look for the option that says Try Gemini 3 Flash and select it. This loads a playground where you can interact with the model. Once you're in, find the Live option in the interface and click it. Live opens a real-time session with voice and tool controls designed for things like screen sharing. Next, in the model picker, choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview 12/2025. That's the preview build optimized for fast, real-time interactions, and it's the one that supports the experience we want. If the exact wording changes in the future, select the closest Flash Native Audio Preview available. Now you're ready to share. Click Share Screen in the Live Session toolbar. Your browser will prompt you to choose what to share: your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Pick the option you need and confirm. For best results, close any sensitive documents first and consider sharing a single window or tab to keep things focused. If you need system audio, choose a tab and enable the Share Tab Audio toggle before you confirm. If you don't see your screen or the button is grayed out, check that your browser has permission to capture the screen. On macOS, you may need to grant screen recording permission in System Settings. And on any platform, keeping Chrome or Edge up to date helps ensure a smooth session. Once sharing starts, you'll see a small indicator showing your screen is visible. You can continue speaking naturally. Gemini will follow along in real time. When you're done, click Stop sharing in your browser or use the Stop control in the Live interface to end the session. And that's it. You went to Google, opened Google AI Studio, tried Gemini 3 Flash, clicked Live, selected Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview, and used the Share Screen control to present your screen to Gemini. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.